back to North Train to Manchester Oxford, which is located in Manchester. Chatham, Surrey, Liverpool to Manchester. Fly Warrington, Liverpool to Manchester. There you go, it's 556 ground for Liverpool from Leafs. Also coming from the Ladies, class 69 ground coming from here. What's up? Goes on 105.6. And there is 79 from Manchester. This isn't going to be the longest train stop in the world, but we'll be seeing stuff from Lisbon to Railway, hopefully. Lisbon to Railway, Transpennine Express, and Northern. Now coming in the distance is the 1320. 1323 Transpennine Express service to Manchester Airport from Edinburgh Waverley. So this is for North Class 397. And we're on arriving in from Manchester Airport to Glasgow Central. This is Class 397. Passing in the distance is the service to Glasgow Central. Finishing 008. Glasgow Central. Just getting some lunch. That's it. So now it's the 1327. Northern service to Southport from North 769 456. Should have a freight for some from Trafford Park. Hopefully. Also, we're on the 1446 back up to coming today. So let's go some. Relevant. Some of them has to. You can see Dean's Gate is right on the road. See it from here. See it very much from here. Freight's due for a past. So yeah. Now approaching is that freight I was speaking of. It's full of a shed for DB. It looks it. This was the last train of the video. Enjoy lunch. It's going to be very short trains up. sure. This was very much just an out trip. Paramount. Should probably hopefully have a through road all the way through Piccadilly. I doubt it, they've often done.